सभी को नमस्कार. I am going to tell you something which is felt by everybody. If it is a fact, then why I am telling this? Because many good words are very inspiring to us, because we have to thought upon that which was projected because of our ignorance. It is over. So, there should not be any trial once again to revive that. Because our great philosophers, men of ethics, they have spoken very highly about it. That abhagya upekshite, paropakara paropakara, abhagya upekshite, abhagyopekshite, premni. Whenever there is any, I can say, non-acceptance in love, because of any reason, many reasons are there, I am not focusing on any. But if at all it is disturbed, then it is very difficult to revive it once again. Once it is gone means it will not come back. Many might have felt it in their lives, some will be telling and some will not be telling. Who will say that he or she has not faced? Naturally, unnaturally, just like our lightning, thundering, climatic disturbance, whatever, saline water maybe, or earthquakes, many things are happening, not giving notice to us. Our so-called scientists, they give a guess on that. So, if it is like this, if there is any disturbance in love, because of God's desire, not your desire, because of God's desire, if it is disturbed, because it is not good, your parental persons, your friends, your relatives, your brothers, your sisters, they suggested that you are a child. For a child, one shouldn't accept anything without asking to parents. This is really a good thing, ethical thing. This is ethical. If it is done earlier, that is emotional. If emotional love started because of emotion and it came to an end because of emotion or because of disturbance by the God, do not think that man did it. God wanted. Then there should not be any disheartenment in this connection. No, never one should be. I will tell you. When you will be doing nothing, but because of some situations, it will be created. Then we will be trapped in that situation. We cannot say yes or no. We are there in that turmoil. We are there. In that circle, we are there. We are moving. Once you are moving means you are moving. Means you cannot say that I am good. Nobody is good and bad. But situation makes one good or bad because of circumstance. So, you pay importance to that circumstance, that because of that circumstance, you realized your mistake. That is not your mistake, that is the mistake of your ignorance. Ignorance come in the form of emotion. Whenever one becomes emotional, then ignorance appears there and it goes away, just like a day passes and night comes. So, once love is disturbed means one should not try his or her level best to revive it because God doesn't want it. Your parents do not want it. Your brother or sister, they do not want it. And also in both the sides, friends suggest, my dear XYZ, do not do like this. Repent for the work, you will not do it, but do not be emotional on this point because it was not known to you, now also it is not known to you. You develop that relation which you develop that tenderness which you heard at your infancy. If you are thinking in this way, you will never be disturbed by others. Okay? I do not want to tell any things because personal things will come. I don't want to tell anything. All are disturbed by that. Sometimes it may be 5 seconds, 7 seconds. We know our status. If we are very low graded or very high graded, we cannot grade ourselves with the people those are excellent or who is excellent, who is par excellent. I am an ordinary man and somebody is par excellent. In course of time, he or she may rebuke me, may scandal me. So be very conscious about this. I have seen my many sisters, my many brothers. So I do not want to pay on this regard because many friends belong to Puri and my family, half of the family also they are residing in Puri, and Vasanti, my friend, shall be knowing about this. She might be knowing because I did not tell to anybody. If had I been told to Vasanti, I have told to a man of education, Vibhushan Shukla. He is my friend. He knows, and Vasanti might be knowing, I do not know. But why I told the name of Vasanti? Because in our study time, once or twice or thrice or sometimes I might have talked with her. Whenever there is point of ethics, we come together, we discuss. And just like clapping, it starts, it goes. We do not remorse on that. And my friend, whenever you come here, Durshasan is very guiding. And my friend, Sushant, Prasant, I am sometimes confused because Sushant, Prasant, because of our relatives are many in this name, so I tell in this way. Many friends are very good, excellent. I did not take the name of Chitravarshi, doesn't mean that I dislike him or anybody. Both the males, both the girlfriends, both the boyfriends at that time, all are excellent. There is disturbance because of our not understanding the thing. That is our mistake. So, not understanding it comes because of the situation. We become a prey to situation. We become a prey to the promise for which to do anything. Okay, my dear friends, it is over. Out of emotion, not emotion, out of talking some ethical point which is related to our Indian culture, I put emphasis on that. This is not my mistake. This is not mistake of anybody. God's promise, I did not point at anybody. I pointed at me only. Me only. So whenever there is a mistake, you please rectify it. Because we know who am I and what is my existence, what is my capability, and what is my everything. All are excellent, all are our excellent friends having unique consideration. All are praiseworthy. Excuse me. Thanks a lot for giving some time to listen.